Hi there, I'm Maddie. I'm one of the primary commissary keepers here at Reid Park Zoo, and today we're going to talk a little bit about what it takes to prepare diets for upwards of 300 animals here every day. The commissary keeper is responsible for taking care of prepping meals for all animals, including mammals, both herbivores and carnivores, reptiles, and birds. Presentation of how we prep the animals' diets depends largely on the animal and the individual. For instance, gazelles and birds might get very small cubes, whereas the zebras get very long sticks, as that's easier to train with. Our elephant herd, in addition to their primary diet of grain and hay, also receive approximately 25 pounds of zucchini, 35 pounds of cucumber, and between 25 and 50 pounds of carrot per day. Our carnivores receive a specialized blend of meat that includes both bone and organ meat, and specifically our African lion Tony gets around 10 pounds of this every day. When all is said and done, the zoo commissary is always here to provide nutritious food and interesting enrichment for all of the animals at Reid Park Zoo.